What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here is the Sony A6400. If you love taking selfie, the selfie timer like this one. So how to change the selfie timer? For example, I like taking the images with the screen face, but let me show you. First go to menu and I go to camera setting 1. Here will be camera setting 1. I am gonna show you self portrait. Camera setting on page 14. Let me turn it on. Okay, let me show you. For example, if I take the image like this, it's no problem, right? Mostly no problem, I can take immediately. But if I take the image like this, as you can see, for example, if I turn on, as you can see, there is gonna be a selfie timer, but it's annoying. If I wanna take a quick selfie, I don't like it. Go to camera setting 1, page 14, selfie timer off. Now you can see I can easily click without any problem. So subscribe and bye.